A very warm evening to everyone. Welcome to Vricham TV. This is Ayush presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. Due to heavy rains, 14 flights were cancelled and 2 flights were delayed at Tuticorin, Madurai, Kochi and Thiruvananthapuram at the Chennai airport on the third day. President Ramnath Kovind on Friday greeted Navy personnel in protecting the country's maritime frontiers on Navy Day. Former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha was remembered on her 4th death anniversary with silent marches, floral tributes and pledges. Special team of the central government to visit Tamil Nadu today to study the effects of the Hurricane Nivar. In Tamil Nadu, there have been no new corona deaths in 29 districts in last 24 hours according to the health department. During this period of declining readership, the Gudiyatham Library has won the statewide award of over 5,000 library members in a single year. Space startup Pixel has signed an agreement with state-run New Space India Limited to launch the country's first private remote sensing satellite on an ISRO PSLV rocket in early 2021. Southern Railway will be increasing the number of suburban services in the city from December 7. The West Bengal government has declared without helmets no fuel for two-wheelers. Hayabusa's 2 spacecraft of Japan is on its intended trajectory as it approaches Earth to deliver a capsule containing samples from a distant asteroid that could provide clues to origin of the solar system and life on Earth. Heavy rains in Chennai and its suburbs caused floodwaters to accumulate in the low-lying areas. Corporation employees were involved in removing stagnant water from roads and residential areas. Following in the footsteps of the United Kingdom, Bahrain has approved Pfizer's corona vaccine for emergency use. Joe Biden, the incumbent president of United States, has called on the American people to wear masks for 100 days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday, while addressing the International Global Pan IIT Conclave, invited alumni to contribute ideas to commemorate India's 75th anniversary of independence in 2022. The Supreme Court on Friday granted 6-month extension to complete the delimitation exercise and conduct the local body election in 9 newly carved districts of Tamil Nadu. Weather report. Sky would remain cloudy with showers of rain till Sunday morning. Sports news. Cricket. The BCCI has ruled that Jadeja will miss the remaining 2 T20 matches against Australia due to the head injury. Corona updates. Tamil Nadu on Friday saw a dip in fresh infection as the days count dropped under 1,400 with 1,391 more persons including 4 returnees testing positive for COVID-19. With this, me, Ayush, signing off with the note of keep watching Vricham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.